मैं सागर, और आज चलिए सीखते हैं एक्सेल में डेट के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फंक्शंस को कैसे यूज करते हैं। तो ये हमारा वेंडर का डेटा सेट है। इसमें वेंडर आईडी, ऑर्डर स्टेटस, ऑर्डर परचेज डेट, ऑर्डर डिलीवर डेट की डेटा दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे। सो फॉर गेटिंग नंबर ऑफ डेज टू डिलीवर, सिंपली हम डेज फंक्शन का यूज कर सकते हैं, जिसमें एंड डेट, कॉमा स्टार्ट डेट डालना और प्रेस इंटर, यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ डेज टू डिलीवर। और इसका एक दूसरा तरीका भी है कि सिंपली आप इन डेट माइनस स्टार्ट डेट कर सकते हो इस तरह से, तो ये भी आपको सेम ही आंसर देगा। नाउ एक अनदर फंक्शन होता है, यूजिंग डेट डिफ यू कैन आल्सो कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ डेज। और सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ डेज ही नहीं, इससे आप नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स, इवन नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स और कुछ अलग तरह की चीजें भी आप इससे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो। सो डेट डिफ के लिए सबसे पहले स्टार्ट डेट, देन इन डेट, एंड स्टार्ट डेट इज ऑलवेज लेस देन इन डेट, एंड उसके बाद आपको फॉर्मेट डालना होता है। तो यहाँ पे मुझे नंबर ऑफ डेज चाहिए, सो आई विल पुट हियर डी। सो आप देख सकते हो कि द नंबर ऑफ डेज टू डिलीवर यूजिंग गेट डी फंक्शन इज लाइक मैचिंग विथ नंबर ऑफ डेज टू डिलीवर बाय यूजिंग simply days function or simply subtracting. So let us go through deadbeef function more deep. Like what are the things that we can calculate using this deadbeef function? So if format is by capital Y, then it will give you the difference in years, and if M, it's month. If capital D, then it's number of days in the period. So these are some specialized format which gives you difference in some specific measures. So if it's MD, then the difference between days in start date and end date. The month and years of the dates are ignored. And so यहाँ पे जब हमारा फॉर्मेट कैपिटल एमडी होता है, तो हमारे जो मंथ्स और ईयर्स होते हैं वो इग्नोर होते हैं, और सिर्फ हमारा डिफरेंस डेज में निकल के आता है। वाई एम, यहाँ भी सिमिलर टाइप का पैटर्न है। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मंथ्स इन स्टार्ट डेट एंड इन डेट, इट विल गिव यू, एंड द डेज एंड ईयर्स ऑफ द डेट्स आर इग्नोर्ड। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू वन एग्जांपल। जैसे यहाँ पे ये हमारा स्टार्ट डेट एंड एंड डेट दिया हुआ। सो यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मेट आप देख रहे होगे कि ये एम डी वाई फॉर्मेट है। एम डी वाई, मंथ देन डेट देन ईयर। So if you use deadbeef function, you have to put a start date, that is this date, and then end date, that is this date, and then by the format. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि पहला जो डेट है वो 2001 का, दूसरा 2002 का है। सो ये हमारा इग्नोर होने वाला है, और सिर्फ हम मंथ और डेज को कंसीडर करने वाले हैं टू कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ डेज डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू डेट्स। सो इट्स 1 जून एंड इट्स 15 अगस्त। सो बिटवीन 1 जून एंड 15 अगस्त देर आर टोटल ऑफ 75 डेज। तो यहाँ पे हमने इग्नोर किया, या इसे इस तरह से भी देखा जा सकता है कि हम ऐसा अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि दोनों सेम ईयर में फॉल कर रहे हैं, बस दोनों में मंथ और डे का फर्क है। सो लेट्स मूव थ्रू अनदर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कैलकुलेटिंग ऑर्डर मंथ। सो सिंपली यहाँ पे मंथ फंक्शन यूज कर सकते हैं। इट विल गिव यू मंथ नंबर, एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट द मंथ नेम, so you can use text, then order purchase date, then you have to specify the format in which you want to get the name of month. So if you are going to put 3M, then it's going to give you in short form, name of month in short form, that is DEC. If it's December, it will give you DEC. But if you will give 4M, then it will give you proper full name of month, that is December. And suppose like I have shown you with 3M, I have shown you with 4M. Let's show you with 2M, not 7. It's giving you in digit format. And if you are going to put one name, then also it's going to show you in digit format. So let's assume that we want in full name. So let me show you that if you want to get year, then how can you get? So the same thing, very similar thing you can use here, that is year function. Year function of this, it will give you year. And here you can also use text function. Let me show you how to use text function here. Equals to text of this date, comma. What's the format? If you use one y, then what it will show? It will show you 17 only. Like the year is 2017, it is showing you 17 only. If you are using 2y, then again it's showing you 17. If you are using 3y, then also here it is, no, here there is a difference. If you are going to use 3y, then it's giving you complete year. If it's 4y, then also it will give you full year, that is 2017. So how will you extract first three characters of the order month name? You can use left function of this, comma 3, number of characters that you want to extract. And the same thing you can copy for rest of the rows. Now I will mention some another date functions. There is one date function. What date function is used for? Like it will take year, it will take month, it will take day, and then it will show in combined manner. I know year, I know month, I don't know day. So for that I have to calculate day. It should show you 16. So in combined format I want to see using date function. So year is this thing, month is this thing, then day is this one. Let's see what it gives us. So it's giving you a day, month, and year in DMY format. So there is another function that is end of month. So it will take a start date, and then there are three options for months here: 0, +1, -1. If you are going to put 0, it will give you last date of given month. You to give the last date of the current month, or if you want to get the last date of some other month, you can also do that by giving the amount of or the number of months that you want to go back, uh, or to go in future. So end of month is going to take a start date, and then in the months you can put 0 if you want to get the last day of the current month. So here order purchase date, you can see that here uh, the format was YMD. Sorry, it's MDY format. It's MDY format. So it's 16 December 2017, and here you can see 31 December 2017. So you can see that we have moved to the last date of that month. Suppose you want to get the uh, last date of next month. So now it's 16 December 2017, and for the next month it is like it is in January of 2018. So you will be moved to 31 January 2018. And similar thing you can see when you put -1, it will move just 1 month back and give the last date of that month. And if you want to like add some number of days to date, you can simply use plus. Like if you want to add the 2 days, then that day plus 2. Let me show. Suppose I want to add 3 days to this date. So the date it is showing is 19th December of 2017, and earlier it was showing 16 December of 2017. Obviously 3 days are added. So let me show the functioning of this weekday. uh, so weekday takes two arguments, serial number and return type. There are different format of this return type. If return type is not mentioned, things goes like this, like 1 to 7 when map this Sunday to Saturday, and whatever the date you have provided, whatever the date you have provided, uh, the corresponding weekday number is shown. And when the return type is 2, then Monday being 1 and Sunday being 7. So in this way, it's getting mapped to, and as per your given date, it will give you the weekday. Here is a little difference when you use return type 3, because here 0 is mapped to Monday, 1 is mapped to Tuesday, and similarly when we go forward, then 6 is getting mapped with Sunday. So as per your date, whatever date you have provided, it will give you the weekday number format. So let me show you one. So let me verify this weekday. Like we have used weekday for getting the number that is got after mapping of 1 to 7 to Sunday to Saturday. So weekday is 7, and day name is showing Saturday. So as I have said, how it is getting mapped, it's showing correctly. Since one is Sunday, second should be Monday. So you can see that we are getting the correct day names for the weekday that we are getting. And even for the day name, you can like if here you are putting 4D, then you are getting complete name of day. If you will put 3D, then you will give it will give you short form of day name. In upcoming videos, I'm going to upload about topics like math functions or different kinds of error that you see, or data visualizations tools that is available in our Excel. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, and subscribe if you like this video.